this ever happened to you? You've taken the perfect picture, only to realize that one annoying element is out of place. If only you could simply drag it to where it belongs, right? Well, guess what? Our prayers have been answered. Welcome back to your favorite tech destination, Who is ML? Where we don't just talk about AI, we empower your future with it. Today we're pulling back the curtains on a revolutionary new technology, Drag-GAN. Yes, it sounds like a mythical creature, but trust me, it's real and it's spectacular. Born out of the genius labs of the Max Planck Institute for Informatics, MIT, and Google, this tech marvel is all set to redefine image manipulation. With Drag-GAN, you can now move any part of an image exactly where you want it, just like moving furniture in your living room. It's like having superpowers, but for digital images. And all it takes is a blue dot, a red point, and a dash of your creativity. Drag-GAN relies on two key components, motion supervision and point tracking, both working in harmony to guide and monitor your manipulations. The science behind it is as complex as it is intriguing, but for those brave enough, I encourage you to explore the technical paper. To all the Photoshop warriors out there, this is a game changer. Imagine having the power to transform your images with the precision that was previously only a dream. As of now, we're eagerly waiting for a working demo. But while you wait, why not browse through the amazing AI tools on masterlistai.com? It's like a candy store for every AI enthusiast. So folks, remember, we're living in a world where everyday problems meet extraordinary AI solutions. And as we say here on Who is ML, let's not just adapt, let's empower our future with AI. Thanks for watching. Peace.